We are in the playground of the hotel. Hi guys. Ella's playing. That's the playground. Slide.
I am bored.
Kuya's board. And the auntie gave us this. What is this?
Socks.
It's a sock. Socks. Shocks. Kung sa Pilipinas, ito ay may bayad. Pero dito sa China, walang bayad. See? You just have to put this on. And tadam! May medyas ka na. Sa Pilipinas, this is like, how much is this? 50 pesos every time na wala kang socks sa mga playgrounds.
It is
We have to buy one. But here it is
free.
free. Look. Look, here's, ang pakita mo yours. Tchadan! Tchadan!
Tiyada,
Diba?
nahulog.